Yeah.
They thought that when I come there, I will not be blabbing. I will not be. No, we don't roll like that.
Yeah.
I have a lot of podcasts that have invited me. I don't go.
Because they want to use it to.
They just want to use me to trend.
Yes.
I don't go. If you invite me, we will talk. I will be sure that the intent is, and the Holy Ghost has to permit me.
Yes.
I'll be sure that your intent is pure before I will show up. Most of in fact, the biggest podcast in this country has invited me. Any podcast you consider as the biggest has invited me.
Wow.
So I've been teaching since that time. Till date. Then, the class now, I have a free class.
Okay.
Where I teach for free. But now, I don't teach as free as I used to teach before. Meaning, I always come live to teach live if I have anything to teach.
Okay.
So I don't have time going to, because the classes are so many.
Okay.
So now, and I created a paid class. I call it the paid class. You can call it the VIP class. You can call it the premium class. You can, any class you want to call it, call it. You can call it the mentorship class. So you pay me money. If you are in Nigeria, you pay 20,000 per month.
Wow.
If you are outside Nigeria, you pay 40,000 naira per month. In that class, I don't come there and say, today we are teaching on 5 ways to optimize your social media. Never. If you don't have questions, we'll be looking at each other. Yes. It's a real life class. So you have to come with your real questions.
Yes.
Don't come and tell me, excuse me, sir, I have a question. If a man invests $2,000, I will not answer you. Tell me, sir, I have 200,000 naira. Was given to me by so. I got it from so place. I want to invest it here. And they said, then I will not sit you down, we will not talk. Don't come to me and say, sir, if a girl, you have 2 suitors, and one of them, I will not answer you. Tell me, sir, I have 2 men that are liking me. One is this, so that I will address specific problems.
Specific problems.
I don't play my class. I scold you. I don't care whether I pay money. If you do anything, I kick you out. I give you your dirty money and get out. You don't enter my class because you have money. You enter my class because you are serious and you want to move to the next level. And in my class, I also tell them, I don't know everything, but I know a lot of things.
Wow.
So when you come to the class, I am the teacher, I'm the principal, I'm the daddy. I don't care whether you are married with kids. When you come here, you listen to me. If you're not going to listen, carry your 20,000, carry your 40,000, and leave. Go to your country and go and stay there. Don't disturb my life.
Wow.
So,
wow, Raymond,
yeah.
I must say, we are in a podcast section, or we are on set, but I must say that you have the gift of utterance. Anybody who sits down, you can't. I'm saying this, I don't know they will say it's because of Raymond is my twin, but anyone, if you're a young man and you desire to go far in life, you desire to go far in life, I want you to listen to Raymond. I'm not going to say much again. Like, I want you to look for him. Do you know what I'm saying? I give you permission, look for Raymond, search him. Because, see, when you were speaking, I was just like, wow. Hey, God, people, you commenting rubbish on this conversation. You are missing. You need to pray that God open my eyes. I want to see Raymond for who he is, not what the social media says he is. And also, I want to also ask a question. I understand that when you are particular about changing the narrative, the devil will do everything to present you as black. The devil won't allow you to be white, right? And from your introduction, you said something so profound that stood out for me. Because one thing I believe in is that we, as Christians, we are called to shine as light in all spheres of life. That's one of the summary of your introduction that I like. You say God. Yeah. That means the God factor is there. So, you said you just spent 8 months in your church or stuff like that.
This present church.
But
I
I'm
joined
sure.
February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. That's 9 months. 8 months, sorry.
Okay, I'm sure that someone like you who speak with so much depth,
yes,
you should be accountable, right?
Yes.